Hello everyone, welcome back again to the PPT Template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe PPT Template channel. In this video, we can learn how to create a watermark in PowerPoint. Let's start. Adding a watermark to a slide. Open File Presentation. Click the tab Insert and select picture or icon in your device. After Insert Picture, please resize. And select Setting Transparency. Adding a watermark to all the slides. Open File Presentation. Click the View tab. Click Slide Master. Scroll up and select the first slide. After in first slide, select Check all slide, make sure the watermark appears in all of them. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from the PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.